Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Telegram verification code not received. So for example, you have created a new account on Telegram and of course it needs a verification code. Once you enter your phone number here, you must receive the verification code right away. So this is what it looks like. You have to enter the code here. However, if after a few seconds or minutes you haven't received the code, then there's something wrong with that verification code or something wrong with your Telegram application here. To fix that, you have to go to your phone settings and then go to app management, tap app list, and then here you have to scroll down and look for Telegram, or you can go to the search icon, search for Telegram here. And once you found Telegram, what you're going to do is you have to click and then you have to look for storage usage. Tap this one right here. And then you have to scroll down and then click this clear cache. So don't worry, it will just remove temporary and unnecessary files. So after that, you can go back to Telegram and see if you have received the code, or wait if you have received a code. If not, then go back and look for permission. One of the reasons why you can't receive a code is that because you haven't allowed the phone or the contacts here under allowed. Let's just say you have denied the access to your storage and your phone or contacts. Basically, Telegram can't send you message and you will not receive the verification code. So you have to tap this phone right here, click allow. Same goes with the storage, contacts, and other features. After doing this, you can restart your phone device and then you have to do the verification method or process again, and you will now receive the verification code after doing this. Lastly, you can also update your Telegram. To do that, go to your App Store or Play Store and then look for Telegram, tap update, and that's it. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.